welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Neri from the Philippines, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the use of made of and made from. Now, these two expressions are pretty common in English, but ever so often we get confused on how to use them correctly in a sentence. Now, I am going to help you differentiate them, and we're going to study the rule or logic behind their use. Stay tuned! Okay, let's start with the expression made of. Now, this is used when the material of the object doesn't change in the process of making the object. Confused? Let me give you some examples. This is the main door of my house. As you can see, the material used to make this door didn't change significantly. So, we have to say, the door is made of wood. Made of is used when a material, like this, wood, remains the same with a little bit of a change. The table and the chairs are made of wood. Remember, we use made of when we talk about the basic material or qualities of something. It has a similar meaning to composed of, like my kitchen counter. My kitchen counter is made of or composed of granite. Let's move on to made from. Made from is used when the material of an object changed its nature. Changed its nature? What does that mean? Okay, let me use this example to illustrate this concept. The chair is made of wood. It doesn't transform into something else. We use made of if we can still see the material used. On the other hand, made from is used when the original material undergoes a significant change before becoming the final product. For example, paper is made from wood. Wood disappeared. You can't see the wood anymore. It has transformed or changed into paper. Let's look at some more examples. Wine is made from grapes. Cheese is made from milk. Plastics are made from oil. And since we're talking about the verb made, let me throw in some extra toppings. Let's talk about made plus the preposition with. With is used to connect two things. For instance, I am eating with my friend. So that's me plus my friend. We use made with most often when we talk about ingredients of food and drinks. For example, caldereta. This is a very popular, really tasty Filipino dish. And caldereta is made with beef, potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, tomato sauce, and many others. Let's tackle made out of. Made out of is used when you actually change the purpose of one object. Let me use this pencil marker ballpen holder. Actually, this is a fishbowl, but instead of using it as a fishbowl, I changed its purpose to become my pencil ballpen holder. So my pencil or ballpen holder is made out of fishbowl. Other examples are the candle holders are made out of wine bottles. The PPE suits are made out of plastic garbage bags. If you like this video, please show some love and support by clicking on like and share and subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. Hanggang sa muli!